kapuso, it's best of time. And this morning, atong makauban ang usa ka local artist gikan sa Mindanao. Let's all welcome on the show a singer from Davao City, Miss Nathasia Labrador. Good morning, Miss Nathasia, and welcome dito sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Ikinagagala ka namin makapanayam dito sa aming programa. Kamusta ka?
Hello, Ma'am Resi. Good morning. I'm fine. I'm doing good.
Well, this morning you look so good, so fab and pretty. Ano ba ang sikreto mo to stay young and fresh?
Thank you for that compliment, Ma'am Resi. So, I guess ang secret na ko is, you should love yourself. Self-love lang jud. And every time you meet someone, always look your best because if you look good, you'll feel good.
Wow, it's so admirable and impressive how passionate you are on serving people. And of course, Miss Nat, pagkwentuhan na natin yung iyong journey naman sa music industry. Paano o ngano ka nainganyo naman sa pagkanta?
I started singing when I was 5 years old. Everything starts with family, I believe. Kay I grew up na ako ang mama o papa are music lovers. And I guess na nadala na ako ang genes nila na maayo mo kanta. And thankful jud pud ko kay I really love singing, I really love music.
Unsa pud ba ang imong most unforgettable experience sa imong music career? What keeps you going ug unsa pud ang imong inspirasyon?
So one of the most unforgettable things na gina-treasure nako is meeting a lot of new people. You get to meet people na same og drive with you. And same og love for music. Gina-treasure jud po nako ang katong experience na nigawas ko sa TV. Kay it's really surreal. And it was my first time and wala jud po ko nagtuon na makalahutay ko dito.
O na po niya ginahulat sa atong mga kapuso, Miss Nat. Pwede ba nimo hatagan og sample?
I could stay awake just to hear you breathing, watch you smile while you're sleeping, while you're far away and dreaming. I could spend my life in this sweet surrender. I could stay lost in this moment forever, where every moment spent with you is a moment I'll treasure. I don't wanna close my eyes, I don't wanna fall asleep, 'cause I miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing. 'Cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest dreams would never do. I so miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing.
That was so lovely, Miss Nat. Daghan kaayong salamat. But before we let you go this morning, please invite lahat ng ating mga kapuso kung asa kanila pwede atangan sa imuhang mga gigs pa, or ask them to also to follow you in all of your social media accounts. Go ahead.
So, hello again mga kapuso. This is Nathasia Labrador. Check or DM me sa Facebook. Still the same name. It's Nathasia Labrador. And you could also check it out para makita ninyo akong mga performance. It's called Who is Nash? So, naana siya sa Facebook and naapod siya sa YouTube. Kita-kits! Hopefully, magkita-ita ninyo pohon.
Alright, thank you so much, Miss Nat. Continue to shine. Ug amping pirmi.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.